नमस्कार, आदाब, सत श्री अकाल, वड़क्कम, गुड इवनिंग। मैं सुधांशु पांडे मैथ्स एंड फन में आप सभी का हार्दिक स्वागत करता हूं। आज की क्लास में कबीर, धैर्य एंड अंजना के साथ हम क्लास को आगे बढ़ाएंगे, जहां पर हम देखेंगे पिछले साल का क्वेश्चन पेपर, पिछले 2 सालों का क्वेश्चन। उसमें से एक क्वेश्चन पेपर हमने उठाया है, सेट 2 है, हम कह सकते हैं 2023 का, और उसके अंदर हम देखेंगे कि किस तरीके से क्वेश्चंस को करना है। क्लास हमारी हिंदी इंग्लिश मिक्स में होगी, क्योंकि हमारे साथ एक बहुत प्यारा स्टूडेंट है जिसको हिंदी नहीं आती उस हिसाब से। तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। So the first question is the area of three faces 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2 and 3 of the cuboid are, ये 3 होना चाहिए, this should have been 3. The cuboid are 10, 24 and 15 centimeter. So this is 10, this is 24 and this is 15. Find the dimensions of the cuboid. So I have seen both of you, Kabir and Dharya, your options. So any other method that you would like to see, हम कैसे करेंगे? So this is, you can say this is L into B. Oh, wait. Okay, yeah, this is L into B. This is going to be B into H, and this is going to be L into. So if you multiply all these three, LB into BH to HL, it will become 15 times 24 times 10. So you will get LBH whole cube, no, whole square. Whole square is equal to 15 can be written as 5 times 3, 24 can be written as 4 times 3 times 2, and 10 can be written as 2 times 5. So LBH square is equal to 2, 5, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 2. So I will write 5, 3, from here I will write times 4 whole square. So LBH is going to be 5 into 3 is 15, 15 times 4 is 60. So you know LB is 24, this 5, 3 is 4 is 60. Did I miss anything? 15 times 24 times 10, 5 into 3, 4 times 3 into 2 into 5. So 1, 5, 1, 3 and 1, 4. 5 times 3 times 4 is, so LBH is 60, BH is 10. So L is going to be 6, then B is going to be 4, and L is going to be 15 by, sorry, H 15 by 6, 3 times 2, 3 times 5, 2.5. तो आप तीनों का भी यही आंसर आया था, धैर्य, कबीर?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है। द कॉन्सेप्ट बिहाइंड दिस इज, अगर आप इन तीनों फेसेस को आपस में मल्टीप्लाई कर दोगे, इफ यू मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द 3 फेसेस, देन यू विल गेट द वॉल्यूम स्क्वायर। मैं बस यही बताना चाह रहा था, और कुछ भी नहीं था। ठीक है, डायमेंशंस तो चलो बाद में हो जाएंगे, बट इफ इट इज ए मल्टीपल चॉइस क्वेश्चन एंड यू नीड टू फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ दिस क्यूबॉइड, तो आप कैसे पता कर सकते हो? अगर आपको ये 3 सरफेस एरिया दिए, यू जस्ट मल्टीप्लाई ऑल द सरफेस एरिया एंड यू विल गेट द वॉल्यूम स्क्वायर, देन आप उसका स्क्वायर रूट निकाल लोगे, सो विल गेट द वॉल्यूम। तो इसमें से वॉल्यूम आ सकता है, एंड देन फ्रॉम दैट यू कैन फाइंड द डायमेंशन। ऑलराइट अंजना, इज दैट क्लियर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's move on to the first question we are going to take today. Which of the following quadratic equation has the sum of roots as 4? So I'm going to put on the timer. Time starts now. 1 minute. You can take 1.5 minutes. 90 seconds.
Saturn.
बोलो।
B.
B. Okay, very good.
Sir, B.
Anjana, you got beta?
Yes, sir.
Minus B upon A. Do you see this? You have to substitute minus this 4. B option. This should have been done in 30 seconds. Okay, the length of the arc of the sector with the radius 14 centimeters. So this question is not for you, Anjana. You can skip this question. If you want to do it, you can do it.
Okay, sir.
What is the length of the sector? Length of the arc. Radius 14 centimeters. Central angle is 90 degrees.
Twenty-two.
22. Okay, so 1 by 4 into 2 pi r. 22 by 7 into 2 times 14. And if अगर यहीं पे पेरीमीटर पूछ लेता देन यू शुड हैव एडेड 14 प्लस 14 भी ऐड कर देते। एक क्वेश्चन वैसा भी आता है, याद है?
Yes.
ठीक है, धैर्य हो गया?
Yes, sir. लेकिन मेरा 11 आ रहा है, पता नहीं क्यों।
पता नहीं क्यों। 90 by 360 is 1 by 4. 2 pi r करोगे तो 2 and 2 will get cancelled out.
अच्छा हाँ सर, मैंने 2 पाई आर की जगह पाई आर लिख दिया गलती से।
Accuracy matters. अभी accuracy करो बताओ। Next question, very important question. 30 seconds for this question. 1 or 45 seconds. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR with angle A is 32 degree. Angle R is equal to 65 degree. Then the measure of angle B is?
सर C 83 डिग्री।
83 degree. Okay. Anybody else?
Yes, 83 degree.
83. Anjana,
Yes, sir. 83 degrees.
you also got 83. Okay, fine. So I will tell you how to do it. So you can see that this is 32. So this is also 32. This is 83, 65, sorry. So this is also 65. You can do like this. Okay. Because these are similar triangles. So these angles are equal. So they are asking for the angle B. So angle B with the angle sum property you can find 5 plus 2 7. So 7 must be added to 3 to make it 0. So you can directly go with 83. Okay, with the unit digit आप देख सकते हो 5 plus 2 is 7. So 7 plus 3 must be 0. Total sum is 180. So we'll click on this because rest none of them have 3 as a unit digit. Good one. Next question. If P and Q be the natural numbers and P is the multiple of Q, then what is the HCF of P and Q? Very beautiful question. Conceptual question. Anjana, you can skip this question as well.
Okay, sir.
So Ashika, you want to respond? You can also respond. A, B, C and D.
CQ.
C. Kabir.
C.
3.
C.
C. मैं कहा P and Q में 3 कहाँ से आ गया? Okay, so let's check it out. So let us say if I have 2 and I have 2 square. So 2 is a factor of 2 square. In fact, 2 square is a multiple of 2. So between these two numbers, what is the HCF? HCF is the smaller number. So P is a multiple of Q. So what is the HCF of P and Q? HCF of P and Q is Q. If if the question was what is the LCM of P and Q, बताओ क्या होगा? What is the LCM of P and Q in that case?
P.
P. Very good. Next question. The coordinates of a vertex of a rectangle ABCD whose three vertices are B, C, D. You need to find A. तो मैंने इसकी एक ट्रिक बताई है. Let me see you find it first. Then I will share the trick as well. This you have to do, Anjana. This is coordinate geometry.
Four comma zero.
4,0. Okay. Anybody else?
एक से सॉरी सर 3,4.
अच्छा मुझे ऑनेस्टली बताना, तुमने फिगर देख के बनाया है कि अपने मन से आ गया था तुम्हें?
नहीं, मैंने भी सेम यही फिगर बनाई है, लेकिन उसमें मैंने फिर उसको ऑर्डर के हिसाब से कर दिया था. ऑर्डर के हिसाब से नहीं.
Sir, 3,4.
You got 3,4.
Yes.
Okay, धैर्य.
सर मेरा पता नहीं क्यों -3,4 आ रहा है.
-3,4. वेरी गुड. तो ऑप्शन में नहीं. तुमने कैसे निकाला? मैं धैर्य तुम्हारी अप्रोच जानना चाहता हूँ.
सर वो मैंने बी और डी का डायगोनल का मिड पॉइंट निकाला.
ओके सो वो वो ऑप्शन नहीं कर सकते इस क्वेश्चन में, बिकॉज वो ऑप्शन हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब यहाँ पे ये लिखा होगा टेकन इन ऑर्डर. तो ये क्वेश्चन उस हिसाब से बहुत खास है. ठीक है, ध्यान रखना. तो कैसे करेंगे इसको? बिना कोऑर्डिनेट ये बनाए नहीं हो सकता. तो B is 0,0. This is B. Okay, C is 3,0. This is C. And D is 0,4. तो मुझे बताओ, is this in order? क्या ये ऑर्डर में? A तो इधर है, A B C D ऑर्डर में नहीं है. दिस इज D A C B. तो उन्होंने जो यहाँ नाम दिया है, this will confuse the student. And they have not mentioned that they have to be taken in order. तो आपको ये बना के ही ये क्वेश्चन को आप कर सकते हो, नहीं तो आपसे ये क्वेश्चन नहीं होगा. तो 14 पॉइंट किधर होगा? दिस. So this will be how much? How much you will move in the x-axis? 3 units. Because ये 90 degree होता है. And this is 4 units. This is 4 units. This is 3 units. So it is 3,4. आया समझ में? ठीक है. आशिका बेटा आपको आ रहा है? आप चैट में लिख दो अगर आपका माइक नहीं चल. Next question, question number 6. If the pair of equations this and this represent coincident lines, then the value of r. अगर लाइंस कोइंसिडेंट है क्या होगा?
सर 2.
2. Okay. So 35 seconds, 1% has gone. So 3 by 6 is 1 by 2. Minus 1 by minus 2. Okay. Yes. 8 by 16 is also 1 by 2. Yes, 2 is the right answer. Why is taking so much of time, Anjana?
I did not know the meaning of coincident lines.
Coincident lines are those lines in which you have a1 upon a2 is equal to b1 upon b2 is equal to c1 upon c2. Okay, this is the rule.
Okay, thank you.
For unique line means intersecting line, this is the rule. If a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. Okay, let me change the question now. So अगर क्वेश्चन में यहाँ आ जाए instead of unique lines, sorry, intersecting lines, तब क्या ऑप्शन होगा? इसमें से छोड़ दो, ऑप्शन इसमें से नहीं होगा, नया आंसर बताओ क्या होगा, व्हाट विल बी द आंसर? अगर क्वेश्चन चेंज हो गया, मान लो कोइंसिडेंट लाइंस में वी विल चेक दिस, so you can check that this is 3/6, that is 1/2, so the coefficient of this is -1, this is minus r, so -1 upon minus r, you need to make it 2, so r is equal to 2, that is fine. Okay, I want to know if the question has changed from coincident lines to intersecting lines, then what is going to be the solution?
Sir, anything else besides 2?
Okay, so you will write r minus 2. Okay, r stands for real number, very good. Okay, it will be r minus 2. R stands for real number, so you should know how to represent the numbers. Very good. Clear hai Kabir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay, next question. A bag contains 100 cards from 1 to 100. A card is drawn from a random from the bag. What is the probability that the card is a perfect cube? You should know the perfect cube till 100. How many perfect cube you have?
So 1/25, option C.
Wonderful, very good. So the perfect cube are 1, 8, 27 and 64. This is for 1 cube, this is for 2 cube, 3 cube and 4 cube. So 100 numbers, so 4 by 100, which is equal to 1 by 25. Understood? Kabir, Anjana?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. The pair of equations x equal to a and y equal to b graphically represents the line which are. What kind of line this will be?
Parallel?
Parallel lines, come on dear.
D.
Which option?
D.
D, delta.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, तुक्का मार रहे हो या you have some logic?
एक सेकेंड सोच लेता हूँ.
Okay. I don't need तुक्का.
हाँ सही है, यही वाला.
यही होगा. कभी धैर्य तुम बताओ.
Yes, sir. Sir, D.
D or B?
Sir, D.
Delta. Okay. So Anjana, listen to me. X equal to a is line which is parallel to y axis. Okay, this is x equal to a because we have a comma 0 here. So every point on this
Sir,
line is a. And y equal to b is the line which is parallel to x axis. So this is b, this is b, 0 comma b. So they will intersect at a comma b. Understood, Anjana?
Yes, sir.
Okay. If one zero of the polynomial is reciprocal of the other, then find the value of k. So what happens if one of the zero is a reciprocal? What is the property of a reciprocal?
Sir, option A, -4.
-4. Okay. So we will write C upon A must be equal to 1. So minus time K minus 2 upon 6 must be equal to 1. So minus K plus 2 is equal to 6. तो K is equal to -4 आएगा मेरे ख्याल से। आपका 4 आ रहा है?
No, sir,
-4. Kabir? Reciprocal means the product of zeros is 1. Anjana?
Okay, sir.
Understood? So product means C upon A. C upon A. You know, the product of zeros are C upon A, alpha beta. So C upon A is equal to 1. So you need to solve this. So 6 will go on the other side, minus K plus 2. So K will be on that side, 6 will come on this side, so minus. Very good. Next question, what is the total surface area of a solid hemisphere? Solid hemisphere of diameter D. Easy question.
Sir, option D.
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 Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So this is 3 pi r square, but r is not given to us. So 3 pi d by 2 whole square. So 3 by 4 pi d square. Okay. Anjana? Clear?
Yes, sir.
ओके आपका बेटा क्लियर है? आशिका बेटा? फॉर्मूला होता है सॉलिड हेमिस्फीयर का 3 पाई आर स्क्वायर। 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. Very good question. What is the probability of getting at most one tail? At most one tail. Okay, so I am going to give you to think 1.5 minutes. Okay, don't be in a hurry. आराम से करो. I want the accurate answer. Don't just jump into the answer.
Three by
Hmm?
3 by 8.
3 by 8.
Hmm.
Okay. So at most one tail. So at most one tail means okay. और किसी का आंसर है?
Sure, 7 by
You
8.
got 7 by 8. Oh my god. Anjana is
Sir, 3
saying,
by 8.
huh?
Sir, 3
Dhairya,
by 8.
Dhairya is saying 3 by 8. और कोई? बस? Let us check it out. Okay.
Sorry, sir. Sir, 4 by 8.
4 by 8. धैर्य ने भी बोल दिया, अभी चेंज कर दिया.
Sir, at most one tail meaning at least one tail or only one tail?
Yes,
At
sir.
most means at most. It is not at least. It is at most. Suppose I am saying I am having at most 100 rupees in my pocket. So can I have 99?
Can you have 0?
Yes, why not?
Oh, 4 by 8.
0 is also a number. So 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. So you can have HHH, then you will have HHT, then you will have HTH, then you will have HTT. These are the 4 options that you will get along with H. Again you will have TTT, you will have TTH, you will have TST, you will have THH. So at most 1, that means you can have 1, you can't have 2, you can't have 2, you can't have 3, you can't have 2, you can have 1, you can have 1, you can have 0 as well. So the answer is 4 by 8. All right.
I thought it was at least one tail.
No, don't think, my dear, just look at the question. Okay, even though if it is at least, then yes, you can say it is 7 by 8. Good. So the answer is 4 by 8. ध्यान रखना कबीर धैर्या बेटा, 0 भी इंक्लूड होता है एटमोस्ट में. Okay, 0 is also included, Anjana, in atmost. If I change the question, if I ask you at most 2 tails instead of this 2 tail, then what is the answer? बताओ. At most 2 tail, then what is the answer?
7 by 8.
7 by 8.
7 by 8. Very good. Because this will not be included. Okay. This is very easy question. I don't want you to do this. Okay. Wow. So you are ignored to do this. Anjana, you can watch it. Just have
Okay.
fun. So let these 2 students will do. So the hour hand of a clock is 6 centimeter long. The angle swept by it between 7:20 to 7:55 a.m. is. You can take all the 2 minutes. Fair and Kabir. This question has a merit. And others can give it a try.
$35 by 2.
35 by 2. Okay, I got one answer as 35 by 2. Darya,
So 35 by 2.
35 by 2. So how much time is this? 35 minutes. How you got 35 by 2?
360 degrees होते हैं 12 hours में.
Okay.
तो 30 degrees will be covered in 1 hour and 0.5 degrees per minute. So 0.5 into 35 equals 17.5.
Okay.
17.5 equals 35 by 2.
Let me understand again. So you are saying that 24 hours we have got 60 degree, 360 degree.
360 degree.
So 1 hour.
12 hours.
Okay, 12 hours. 12 hours is 360 degrees. So 1 hour is 3
30
degrees.
degrees.
So 35 minutes is going to be 35 times 3 divided by
30 degrees होएगा ना. आप 360 को 12 से डिवाइड कर रहे हो ना.
नहीं, मैं 35 मिनट्स को फाइंड आउट कर रहा हूँ.
अच्छा.
तो 320. तो कुछ और आ रहा है. जो लॉजिक तुमने लगाया. Wait, okay, this will be 30. Sorry. So 30 times 35 divided by 60. 35 by 2, correct. Very good. अगर यहाँ मिनट हैंड हो जाता then what will be the answer?
वही होएगा?
Same.
नहीं होएगा.
फिर क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ रहे हो तुम.
नहीं सर.
Sir, 210 degrees.
Okay, so 35 will be multiplied by 6. 210 degree. Very good. Because 1 मिनट में 6 डिग्री कवर होता है. 60 मिनट में 360 कवर होता है. कबीर ध्यान रखना बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन चेंज हो जाएगा if this is not a hour hand. If this becomes the minute hand, question will be changed. ठीक है? Okay, we will take 2 questions at the same time. So the first question, the zeros of the polynomial. Multiple choice question, you have got lot of options. Very
D.
easy. Bravo, delta.
Delta.
Okay. One person has said delta. What about others?
Sir, option D, -1, -3.
Okay. Anjana?
Just a minute. Sir, option A.
Option A, no my dear. See, the x square plus 4x plus 3 will be written like this. So x plus 3 is 0, so x is equal to -3 and x equal to -1. These are the two zeros. Okay, don't get confused by just factorizing it. These numbers are not zeros. The opposite of these numbers are zeros. Alright.
Yes.
Next question. In the given figure, the quadrilateral PQRS circumscribe a circle. Here PA plus CS is equal to.
PBS.
So PS.
Okay. Okay, PS. Okay, very good. So this is equal to this. PA is equal to this. So we can say PA plus CS is going to be PD plus DS, which is PS. Very good. Anjana, clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Good one.
I haven't done such questions though, so it's a bit confusing.
Okay, it's okay. If I put ICSE board questions to them, they will also get confused. Don't worry about that. Okay, but some questions are same, like these types of question you will see in your syllabus as well. So if alpha beta are the zeros of the quadratic polynomial x square minus ax minus b, then the value of alpha square plus beta square is equal. So if you know one identity, then this question you can solve it, or else you will not be able to solve it.
B.
B option. Okay. So alpha square.
Sir, option B.
क्या बेटा?
Option B.
Bravo delta.
Bravo.
Sir, bravo.
Okay. So Anjana, look at this. Alpha square plus beta square. We have got an identity. Okay. So
Yeah.
alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. So alpha plus beta is going to be minus a upon 1 whole square. Minus alpha beta is going to be minus b upon 1. So this is going to be a square plus 2b. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So could you just go back 1 minute? I'd like to copy it down. I've never seen that identity.
Okay. This identity you must know. This is x square plus, so suppose you have this identity x plus y whole square, which is equal to x square plus y square plus 2xy. So suppose you have been asked to find this. So you will take 2xy on the other side. So alpha square plus beta square is equal to alpha plus beta whole square minus 2 alpha beta. Why we use this? Because we don't require alpha and beta to find out alpha plus beta. We know that it is minus b upon a and alpha beta is c upon a. So minus b upon a, here we have minus of minus a upon 1, that is plus a. This should have been plus a. So a square, then minus 2 times c upon a is going to be minus b upon 1. So you need to know this identity.
Okay.
And you should also know this identity because you are going to use these kind of questions in your proportion, ratio and proportion question as well, where you apply componendo and dividendo. There also these kind of questions come sometimes. You need to break it down into this.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Chalo, next question. So this might be easy, I think. Question number 19. Let me see. 19 and 20 I am putting up together. So a tangent to a circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. The length of the tangent drawn from the external point to the circle are equal.
Both A and R are true, or
But R is not the reason for A.
R is not the reason. Let us find out.
I think R is the reason.
Okay. So if this length is equal to this length and this length is equal to this length, then why this is 90 degree? Kabir, you tell me.
Wait,
Hmm?
पता नहीं.
You said that this is the reason. This is justifying this. So I am asking you, this is, let us say this is equal to this in the second statement. Okay. And we have got radius is equal to radius. So my point is how you can say that this angle is 90 degree. These two angles are 90 degree.
वैसे तो नहीं पता, लेकिन अगर बीच में से लाइन खींच दोगे तो फिर उस
Okay. So you can prove that by making two right triangles. So in that case, you will have this common, these are equal and this is equal. So using SSS theorem, you can prove this. So answer is both A and R are true and R is the correct explanation of A. Okay, लेकिन we need to check the answer as well. मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा doubt है. This is quite glitchy question. Okay, so Anjana might be also right. So Kabir can also be right. We need to check this. We will check later on. I will just let you know by tomorrow. Okay, right now I don't want to waste the time. धैर्या, तुम्हें क्या लग रहा है? What do you feel?
सर मेरे ब्लैक हो रखे हैं, मेरे को कुछ दिखाई नहीं दे रहा.
चलो ठीक है. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. द पॉलिनोमियल px.
सर एक सेकंड से दिखाई दिया. सर दिखाई दे रहा.
अच्छा,
ब्लर हुआ बस थोड़ा सा.
बाकी सबको दिख रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The polynomial px is equal to x square plus 3x plus 3 has two real zeros. बताओ, is this statement true or false?
False.
Okay. तो दूसरा चेक करने की जरूरत ही नहीं है. If one of the statement is false, no need to check the other one. Read कर लेते हैं. Quadratic polynomial can have at most two real zeros. Is it true? Anjana, what do you say? Reason?
I am not sure.
Okay, if it is a quadratic means what is the power, my dear? What is the highest power of the expression? 2. So with 2 expression, you can form two linear. You can think like x plus a and x plus b. So you can have maximum 2 zeros, one from here and one from here. Are you getting it? So the graph can maximum cut the x-axis at 2 points. Minimum you can have 0. Minimum you can have 0. The graph can be like this. This is no zeros. The graph can be like this, 1 0, or the graph will be like this, 2 zeros. So at most 2 real zeros, right?
So A and R are true, and R is the reason for it.
No, A is incorrect, my dear. B square minus 4AC is less than 0.
Oh, okay, I
9
see.
square minus 4 times 3 is 12, which is less than 0. So this does not have any real zero. They have complex root. Alright?
A is false, R is true.
Yes. Next question, question number 21. Prove that 2 plus root 3 ये नहीं करेंगे हम लोग. Okay, so Anjana, you can do this question. I want both of you to try this question. पहला वाला question करेंगे. Cot square 45 degrees, sec square 60, sin square 60 plus p is equal to 3 by 4. Find the value of p. Time given is 3 minutes. Time given is 3 minutes. So you have a lot of time. Do it slowly. Don't be in a hurry. Never be in a hurry. Check. Check.
Sir, 0.
Okay.
Yes, 0 as well.
0. Okay. So cot square 45 is 1. So 4 minus sec square 60. So cos 60 is 1 by 2. So this is going to be 4 again. Plus sin square 60.
Root 3 by 2 the whole square.
So that will be 3 by 4. So p is going to be 0 to make it equal to 3 by 4. Good one. So if cos plus cos a plus cos square a is equal to 1, then the value of sin square a plus sin to the power 4a. बताओ क्या होगा?
cos a 1 plus cos a.
हम्म
cos a plus cos square भी बोल सकते हैं, cos a into 1 plus cos a भी बोल सकते हैं.
ओके. cos a into 1 plus cos a equal to 1. फिर
सर वो भी
makes
1 में
sense.
होगा.
हम्म
साइन स्क्वायर, सर साइन स्क्वायर a प्लस साइन रेज़ पावर 4a इक्वल्स टू 1.
ये भी 1 आ जाएगा.
यस सर.
ओके, कैसे प्रूफ किया?
सर cos a प्लस 1 माइनस साइन स्क्वायर a
cos a is
प्लस
equal
1
to,
माइनस साइन स्क्वायर a.
so this cos square a will go on the other side. So 1 minus cos square a is going to be sin square a, right?
यस सर.
Okay. So instead of cos a we can write sin square a, and instead of cos square a we can write sin to the power 4a, which is equal to 1. Understood, Anjana?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Kabir, clear है?
Yes, sir.
So that the points are vertices of a right angle triangle. कैसे करोगे show? How you will show it?
I'll be back in a minute, sir.
Using the Pythagoras theorem, you can find AB, you can find BC, and you can find AC. अगर वो पूछ लेगा कि कौन सी वर्टेक्स राइट एंगल पे है, चलो निकालो इसको. 3 डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला निकालना है, एंड यू विल बी गिवन 3 मिनट्स. और मुझे बताओ कौन सा वर्टेक्स जो है वो 90 डिग्री पे. ये ए बी सी. फाइंड आउट.
तो प्लीज कोऑर्डिनेट्स बता दो।
Coordinates is -2, 3, A, B is 8, 3, and C is 6, 7.
ओके सर।
I think C वो वाला पॉइंट होएगा जहाँ पे क्या बोलते हैं 90 डिग्रीज है।
And degree angle C होगा.
हम्म
Very good. Because AB is going to be the hypotenuse, the longest side. So BC is given as 2√5.
तो सी होगा।
So BC is given as 2√5. This is given as 4√5. You can check 2√5 is under root 20 whole square is 20, under root 80 whole square is 80, 80 plus 20 is 10 square. Anjana, is it clear, beta?
Sir, I did not know how to proceed with this question.
Okay, so you need to find the distance between A and B using the distance formula, B and C using the distance formula. So between AB, if you find the distance between these 2 points, it is going to be under root of 8 plus 2, that is 10 square, plus 3 minus 3, 0 square, which is equal to 10. Understood?
Yes.
Then find the distance between these 2 points. So under root of 8 minus 6, 2 square is 4, and then 7 minus 3, 4 square is 16. So it is going to be under root of 20. All right.
Yes.
Then the distance between these 2 points. So under root of 6 plus 2, it is 8 square, which is 64, and then 7 minus 3, 4 square is 16. So this is going to be under root of 80. So if you do under root of 80 whole square plus under root of 20 whole square, if this is equal to 10 square, then we can say this is right angle triangle, because we have got a property that base square plus perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square. So you can check it out. This is going to be 80, this is going to be 20, which is equal to 100. So yes, they form the right angle triangle. And I asked you what is the angle, which angle is right angle. So if this is AB, this is the longest side, so it is but obvious the third vertex is going to be the right angle. Understood?
Okay. Yes.
So whenever you have been given to prove it is an isosceles triangle or an equilateral triangle or a right angle triangle, in that case you can use the distance formula. That's it. Find the distance of all the 3 sides. All right.
Oh, yes.
Same goes with the quadrilateral as well. Okay. Next question. The length of the shadow of the tower of a plane on the plane ground is root 3 times the height of the tower. Find the angle of elevation of the sun. So which is greater? Shadow is greater. Shadow is root 3 times h. What is the angle of elevation of sun?
60 degrees.
60 degree. Wow.
Isn't it 30 degrees?
Like
Yes.
30.
So 30 degree.
The length along with 30 degrees is always greater. So shadow is greater. If this question would have been part of a multiple choice question as well, you know, in that तुम 60 पे क्लिक करके आ जाते कबीर आराम से, ठीक है. ये छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक्स तुम्हारे नंबर पेपर तुम्हारा 79 मार्क्स का कर देंगी. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. The angle of elevation of a tower from the point on the ground which is 30 meter away from the foot of the tower is 30 degree. 30 meter away, 30 degree. Angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point, let us say the point is A. Find the height of the tower. Easy question. इधर से उधर जाते हैं तो क्या करते हैं कबीर बताओ.
10 root 3 आ रहा है इसका.
हाँ, फिर 10 रूट 30 को 3 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड रूट 3 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. So Anjana, you can use this formula. Tan 30 degree is equal to BC upon AB. So BC is going to be AB is 30, tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So you can't put the answer with the irrational denominator. So you have to multiply by root 3 times root 3. So this will become 3. So answer is going to be 10 root 3.
Yes, sir. Got it.
Got it? तुमको आया समझ में धैर्य? धैर्य को क्वेश्चन ही नहीं दिख रहा है. इंटरनेट कमजोर है, यूट्यूब पे आ जाओ ना तुम. Next question. In the given figure, O is the center of a circle. AB and AC are tangents. Find the measure of angle BOC. ये multiple choice question है. Tell me quickly. BOC बताओ कितना होगा?
So 115 degree.
30.
How much बेटा?
230.
Why 230 my dear?
115 degree.
They are asking about this angle my dear. They are not asking about reflex BOC.
Okay, my bad.
So it is going to be 115. Alright, because together these two angles will form 180. Why? Because this and these are 90 degrees. So they are 180. So the rest of the other two angles is also 180. Understood? Find the prime factorization. छोड़ दो इसको. 3 bells रहेंगे, ये भी छोड़ दो अभी. ये वाला कर. 3 minutes. 1 by cos theta minus cos theta into 1 by sin theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 upon tan theta plus cot theta. पहला क्वेश्चन है 3 marks. 6 minutes will be given to you. पर मेरी तरफ से 4 मिनट है. Think and proceed. You can let me know also. कैसे करेंगे? So we can take the LCM. Okay, you can see 1 minus cos square is coming. So 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta into here also you will get 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta is equal to, so this will become sin square theta into cos square theta divided by cos theta and sin theta.
Sir, हो
So
गया.
हो गया. So you can bring this down. कैसे हुआ बताओ. इसके बाद क्या किया?
सर एलसीएम लिया, 1 माइनस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा आया, साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा इंटू कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाय साइन थीटा, तो फिर हो जाएगा साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा। सर अब ये हो जाएगा, सर हम आरएचएस सॉल्व करेंगे, 1/tan थीटा प्लस कॉट थीटा, जिसको हम लिख सकते हैं 1/sin थीटा बाय कॉस थीटा प्लस कॉस थीटा बाय साइन थीटा।
अच्छा अब
सर तो
आ
फिर
रहे
एंड में वो सर फिर एंड में वो हो जाएगा 1/sin स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाय साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा। सर साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा 1 हो जाएगा। सर सीधा दिन सर सीधा ऊपर आ जाएगा फिर साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा।
ओके, तो साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा आ गया आपके पास। यहाँ से अब वो बोल रहा है कि आरएचएस को वी नीड टू सॉल्व इट डिफरेंटली एंड देन वी विल प्रूव इट अगेन इक्वल टू साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा, दैट इज आल्सो अलाउड। ओके, बट मेरे को ज्यादा अच्छा लगता है अगर हम एलएचएस से ही चलते हुए आरएचएस तक पहुंच जाए। कबीर कोई टेक्निक है कि एलएचएस से चलते हुए आरएचएस पे पहुंच जाए? क्या लग रहा है तुमको?
हाँ एक सेकंड।
सर एक चीज कर सकते हैं,
हम्म,
सर वो जो
इसका
साइन थीटा है,
तो इसको हम
साइन थीटा
साइन
कॉस
स्क्वायर,
थीटा है।
इसको हम साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा लिख सकते हैं, नीचे वन है तो। अब इसको उठा के नीचे ले जाओ, तो इट विल बी 1 अपॉन साइन स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा बाई साइन थीटा कॉस थीटा। ठीक है, तो साइन थीटा एक कैंसिल हो जाएगा, सो 1 अपॉन टेन थीटा प्लस यहाँ से कॉस थीटा कैंसिल हो जाएगा प्लस कॉट थीटा। आ गया? मुझे ये थोड़ा ज्यादा मजा आता है ऐसे करने में, है ना, रिस्की रहता है पर अंजना, यू अंडरस्टूड माय डियर?
Yes, sir.
Or what you could have done is you got sin theta cos theta, you can just live up to here, then you can take the right side, convert this into sin by cos, cos by sin, solve it, you will get the same thing. यार समझ में आया बेटा कैसे करना है? you आप
ये
सोच
तो
आप सोच रहे होगे कि मैंने नीचे sin square plus cos square क्यों लिखा, because I need something in the denominator to be added.
जिससे वो 1 से रिप्लेस कर दिया ना, तो फिर वो
Yeah, so this is the only option that I have. ठीक है, गुड वन। देखो अभी 3 मिनट 48 सेकंड हुआ है, वी आर स्टिल लेफ्ट विद 2 मिनट्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, if q 0,1 is equidistant from 5, -3 and r x, 6, find the value of x. So again you will be given 4 minutes. In the examination you will be given 6 minutes. मैं तुमको 4 मिनट के लिए इसलिए तैयार कर रहा हूँ कि जब रियल रेस हो तो आप वहां पैनिक मत करो, यू डू वेरी इजली। आपको पता है कि आपकी क्या पेस है। Equidistance means distance formula. So under root of 5 minus 0, that is 5 square, plus 3 plus 1 is 4 square, is equal to under root of x square plus 5 square. So we can do the square on both the sides. तो आंसर तो मेरा आ गया। So 5 square plus 4 square is equal to x square plus 5 square. This will cancel out.
प्लस माइनस 4।
So x is going to be plus minus. Clear? See? इसके पहले वो सब मैं नहीं लिखवा रहा हूँ तुमको। Since they are equidistant, therefore PQ is equal to, this is understood, PQ is equal to PR, sorry QR. Anjana, is it clear beta?
Yes, sir.
Kabir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. ये कार वाला क्वेश्चन छोड़ देते हैं। सिस्टम ऑफ लीनियर इक्वेशंस। So now Anjana, you can do this, my dear. I have already taught you what is the Process of finding the infinite many solutions. Infinite many solution is how much? What is that? A1 upon A2 must be equal to B1 upon B2 must be equal to C1 upon C2. Question.
Okay.
The equation is written in front of you. You can find A is this is A1, B1 and C1. This is A2, B2 and C2. So if the system of linear equation have infinite number of solutions, find the values of A and B. I want you to do it.
So
All of you.
4 and 8.
आ गया आंसर 4 and 8?
Yes sir.
क्या रटा हुआ है क्या आंसर?
नहीं सर, इजी था, दिमाग में ही हो गया.
ओके, बहुत जल्दी निकाला. तो 2/2a 4 and 8 आंसर लिख लेता हूँ तुम्हारा. दो आंसर आए हैं. A is equal to 4 and B is equal to 8. So 2/2a must be equal to 3 upon a plus b is equal to 1/4. So first we can take 2/2a is equal to 1/4. Sorry. So a is equal to 4. Very good. And if we put a is equal to 4, so 4 plus b is equal to 3 times 4 which is 12. So b is equal to 8. Good. Very good. बहुत जल्दी निकाला तुमने. दे 1 मिनट के अंदर फोड़ दिया. अल्टीमेट धैर्य. वेरी गुड.
थैंक यू सर.
कबीर आया बेटा?
हाँ 4 आ रही.
Okay. Anjana, you got it beta? This is the
Yes,
first.
sir.
Okay, very easy question. It is from linear equation in two variables. Okay, so very beautiful question. Solve this. The time will be given as 3 minutes. 217x plus 131y is equal to 913 and 131x plus 217y is equal to 827. Then solve the equations of the values for x and y.
सर इसमें कितना टाइम है?
इसमें पूरा पूरा 4 मिनट है.
अच्छा, हो गया.
हो गया?
हम्म.
Okay. Okay. कबीर हो रहा है? धैर्य कैसे कर रहे हो बेटा?
यस, होने वाला है.
ओके. So Anjana, there is a trick to solve this question, my dear. Okay, if you are not following that trick, you will fall into trap.
Okay.
So the trick is, if you see that these two numbers are same, then you have to add and subtract the equation. So when you will add the equation, you will get 7 plus 1 is 8, 3 plus 1 is 4. So 348x plus 348y is going to be 7 plus 3 is going to be 10, 2 plus 1 is going to be 3 plus 1 4, 9 plus 8 17. So 1740. So y will be equal to x plus y. You can take 348 common and take it on the other side. So 1740 divided by 348. So 174 you can divide. You know this is the double of 174. 17 4 jar 17 times 2 is 34. 4 times 2 is 8. So this will become 10 times. This will become 2 times. So this is 5. So first equation you will have is x plus y is equal to 5. All right. Then you need to subtract the equation. So when you subtract, 7 minus 1 is going to be 6, 21 minus 13 is going to be 8. So 86x minus 86y. Why? Because you can see the coefficient are same only. So you will get the same number, but in that case you will get minus. So here you need to subtract. So 13 minus 7 is going to be 6. 10 minus 2 is going to be 8. Then 9 minus 8 is going to be 1. So 186, no.
Oh, it's just 86.
86, okay. That's why I thought. So x minus y is going to be 1. So the final equation is this. So you can just add it. So 2x is going to be 6. So x is going to be 3. Then 3 plus y is going to be 5. So y is going to be 2. So the answer is x equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. These are special kind of questions not to solve using the elimination substitution method, or there will be a very big calculation and you will just fall into trap. If you have these combinations, like the coefficients are same for x and y in the alternate equations, then you need to add both the equations and then you need to subtract both the equations to get two more equations which can be solved very easily. Understood?
Yes, sir. So y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 3, right?
Correct.
Okay.
धैर्य क्लियर है बेटा? ऐसे ही कर रहे थे आप?
सर बहुत लैग कर रहा था इसलिए ज़्यादा समझ नहीं आया.
अच्छा, मैं ये कह रहा था बेटा कि जब भी आपको इस तरीके की इक्वेशन दिखे जिसमें x और y के कोफिशिएंट अल्टरनेट इक्वेशंस में सेम है, देखो यहाँ पे 131 है, यहाँ पर भी 131 है, यहाँ पे 217 है, यहाँ भी 217. तो ऐसे केसेस में आपको दोनों इक्वेशंस को ऐड करना पड़ेगा पहली बार और दूसरी बार सब्ट्रैक्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो उससे दो नई इक्वेशन बनेंगी आपकी, जो कि काफी सिंपल इक्वेशंस हो जाएंगी. और फिर उन इक्वेशन, क्या बोल रहे हो?
ये आपने क्या करा सर? ये आपने क्या करा एकदम से, जो x प्लस वाई इक्वल्स टू 5 और x माइनस वाई इक्वल्स टू 1 आ गया.
वही बता रहा हूं बेटा आपको कि जब आपको ऐसा क्वेश्चन मिले जिसमें कोफिशिएंट्स आपके क्रॉस सेम हो रहे हैं, दिख रहा है आपको, तो आपको इन इक्वेशंस को एक बार ऐड करना है. तो आप ऐड करोगे तो 7 प्लस 1 कितना आएगा? 8. 1 प्लस 3 आएगा 4. 2 प्लस 1 आएगा 3. तो क्योंकि कोफिशिएंट सेम है तो आपको दोनों तरफ 348 ही मिलेगा. और यहाँ पर ऐड करोगे तो यहाँ ऐड करने पे आएगा 1740. So you can take 348 common. So you will have x plus y is equal to 1740 divided by 348. So by looking at this, you can see that this is 10 times, this is 2 times. So the first equation you will get x plus y is equal to 5. Clear है? धैर्य?
Yes sir.
अब जब सब्ट्रैक्ट करोगे तो you will get 86 x minus 86 y is equal to 86. तो यहाँ से इक्वेशन बन जाएगी x minus y is equal to 1. तो अब इन दोनों इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करना है. ये ज्यादा आसान तरीका है टू फाइंड आउट द सॉल्यूशन. rather than elimination method, और अगर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लिकेशन मेथड या कुछ और लगाओगे इसमें सब्स्टिट्यूशन मेथड, तो बहुत लंबी कैलकुलेशन हो जाएगी, नहीं होगा ये क्वेश्चन तुमसे 4 मिनट में। समझ में आया?
यस सर।
ठीक है, इस बात को नोट कर लो अपनी नोटबुक में। यू ऑल्सो नोट इट अंजना, that if you get the questions like this, if you get the question of the form ax plus by is equal to c1 and bx plus ay is equal to c2, suppose you get the equation of this form, then what you need to do? You need to first add the equation and subtract. ठीक है, ये अपने नोट्स में लिख लो एक जगह पे, ताकि जब हम रिवाइज कर रहे होंगे फाइनल दिन 16 तारीख को हम लगातार 6-8 घंटे जाएंगे लाइव, मॉर्निंग 9 बजे से लेके 12-2 बजे तक जाएंगे, 4-5 घंटे। मैं उसी के लिए सारे क्वेश्चन इकट्ठे कर रहा हूँ, वेरिएंट्स। ओके, लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस 3 marks. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle and QPR is tangent to it. QPR is tangent at angle P, at P. Prove that angle QAP, this angle, plus angle APR, this is 90 degree. Very easy to prove. This angle is 90. This comprises of angle 1 and 2. This is the radius. So 2 is equal to, let us say, angle 3. So angle QAP and angle APR will be 90 degree. Easy है मेरे ख्याल से, और तो कुछ भी नहीं है इसमें कि मैं कुछ मिस आउट कर गया। टेल मी।
नहीं सर,
इतना ही है, इजी क्वेश्चन। अंजना, कैन यू सी दैट?
Yes, sir.
This is 90 degree, dear. So if this is 1, this is 2, and 2 and 3 are equal because this is radius. This is an isosceles triangle. So you can replace 2 by 3. So you can write 1 plus 3 is equal to 90 degrees. So this is angle QAP. QAP is, this is 3 and APR is 1. This is 90. Kabir, clear hai?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I want to say this question. Very good question. Very good question. 10 मिनट पूरे लग जाएंगे इसमें, 8 मिनट लगेंगे करीब करीब। Let me see if I want the discussion from all 3 of you. Okay, and if you can include आशिका, आप भी अपने inputs दे सकते हो। So this question is the discussion. How to do this? मैं अभी बोल दूंगा तो नहीं हो पाएगा, तो कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ कर दोगे। How many terms of arithmetic progression 45, 39, 33 must be taken so that their sum is 180? Okay, let us solve, and they have asked to explain the double answer. Okay, so let us find out. So sum of how many terms means, first let us write down what are the things given to us. So A is 45. How you will write in the examination? T is, you will write 39 minus 45. Do it properly, so you will get minus 6. You need to find N. We don't know N, and Sn is given as 180. So you have a formula, Sn is equal to n by 2. Then you can write 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So 180 is equal to n by 2. 2 times a is 2 times 45 is going to be 90, plus d times d is minus 6. So you will have minus 6n, and minus 6 times minus 1 is going to be plus 6. So 2 will be taken on this side, so you will have 360 is equal to 90 plus 6 is going to be 96 times n minus 6n square. Alright, you can see all the numbers are divisible by 6, so you can write this as 60 is equal to, no, yes, 60 is equal to 16n minus n square. So you have to make this positive, so the equation will reduce to n square minus 16n plus 90 is equal to 0. So you need to know two numbers whose sum is product
So is
is
it plus 60?
Yeah, plus no, it will go on the other side. It will become minus
Okay.
16. We need to make minus n square positive, my dear.
Okay, I understand that, but I'm not understanding why n square minus 16n plus 90 is equal to 0.
Because I will take everything on this side to this side, left side. So what you will be having here? 0 only.
No. You've used 90 over there, isn't it 60?
Where I am saying? Oh my God, sorry. Good observation. That is typo, not typo. That is typo mistake.
Oh,
Okay. So we need to know
So
two
the
numbers.
answer is 10 minus
6 or 10.
N minus 6 and n minus 10.
Yes, sir. The answer.
So you will get n is equal to 6 comma
Yes,
10.
sir.
Okay. Acha. You need to
10.
know. You need to explain the double answer. Why it is getting the double answer like this?
क्योंकि वैल्यू के बाद वो जाकर के अपने आप कैंसिल
Sir,
हो
as the
जाएगा।
common difference is negative, first
Very
it will
good.
exceed 180 and then it will come back to 180.
Very good. So you need to understand like this. Very good, beta. तो आप इसको देख के बता सकते हो व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म? कैन यू टेल मी व्हाट इज द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म और विच टर्म विल बी 0? बोलो. द फर्स्ट नेगेटिव टर्म विल बी द 8th टर्म. या 0 होता है वो, कुछ ना कुछ तो होगा. मैं बता सकता हूँ कैसे. ध्यान से देखना, इसको समझने की कोशिश करना. ओके, ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस. So AP is coming like this. Are you getting it? Anjana, please try to understand. AP is what? AP is the jump of the numbers. 6 units, 6 units. Are you getting it?
yes, sir.
So we are adding these numbers. So up to, let us say up to here you got 180, right? These are the first 6 terms whose sum is you got 180. Now you added 2 more terms, so you got 12, negative 12 as well. So sorry, no, you got 12 more numbers. Are you getting? The sum is 12 more. After that you will have 2 negative terms as well, so their sum will be minus 12. So these 2 terms will cancel out their effect. So again you will get 180 at the 10th term as well. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the 8th term is going to be the negative term because 8 lies between 6 and 10. क्लियर है? आपसे ये क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा जाता है which term of the following AP is the first negative term. So वहां से भी आप इस चीज को निकाल सकते हो अपने दिमाग में. कॉमन
वो
सेंस.
तो 9th होगा.
हाँ, 9th हो सकते हैं मेरे ख्याल से. 9th term होगा. करेक्ट, 9th term ही होगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level. So first we will make the lighthouse. साथ साथ मेरे आप भी बनाते जाया करो. Please make it along with me. The angles of depression of the two shapes. So this is a lighthouse. So angle of depression of the two shapes are 30 degree and 90 degree. So one you will make longer, the other you have to make shorter. Figure proper बनाना बच्चों. So where you are making shorter is 60 degree. Where making your longer is 30 degree. Okay, tell me what is the ratio between this and this? The ratio is 3:1. Okay, ये मैंने shortcut में बताया हुआ है आपको. Now if one ship is exactly behind the other, so this is, let us say, ship 1A, this is ship 2B, this is C, this is D.
ऐसे बनेगा या फिर लेफ्ट साइड में ही, मतलब एक ही साइड में दोनों शिप्स आएंगे?
नहीं, एक साइड में दोनों नहीं बनेंगे.
If one ship is
अच्छा, हाँ
exactly
हाँ,
behind the other.
okay, sorry. The angle of depression of the two ships are 30 and 60 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse. Okay, ऐसे बनेगा. Sorry. So this is 60 degree. ये नहीं बनेगा. This is incorrect figure. Good observation, Kabir. Okay, this is 60 degree. तो यहाँ पे रेशियो मैंने आपको सिखाया हुआ है. दिस रेशियो इज 1:2. ओके, So find the distance between the two ships. We need to find the distance between, ये हमें find करना है. So if this is 60 degree, what could be this length? So we can use tan 60 is equal to 75 upon BC. So BC is going to be 75. This will come here. So under root 3, you will multiply this by root 3 by root 3. So this will become 3 times 1, 3 times 25. So this will become 25 root 3. So the distance between the two ships is going to be 50 root 3. This is the answer that you should come into your mind, but we are not going to find like this. We are going to find in a proper way. So we will write tan 30 degree. Tan 30 is equal to DC, that is 75 upon AB. So AB we can write as 25 root 3 plus AB. So we need to figure out this AB. So tan 30 is how much? Root 1 by root 3. So 1 by root 3. So this will go up times 25 root 3 plus AB is going to be 75. So you can cross multiply. So AB is going to be 75 root 3 minus this 25 root 3 will go on the other side. So AB, the distance between two ships, is going to be 50 root 3, but this is not the final answer. You have to multiply this by 1.73.
Sir, 865. Sir, 86.5 meter.
Okay, so 86.5 meter. Anjana, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
कबीर, क्लियर है ना तुमको? तो तुमने तो फिगर ही बताई, और मैंने तुमको पहले ही बता दिया था, इफ दिस इज 25 रूट 3, दिस इज द डबल ऑफ दिस लेंथ. ठीक है, बता रखा है मैंने. चले आगे बढ़े. तो 9:30 हो ही गए मेरे ख्याल से. वी शुड डन विद दिस. ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है, तो हम कल मिलते हैं 6 to 7. ऑलराइट Kabir, Anjana, if you want to join, you can join from 6 to 7. So Monday, Friday we have 6 to 7. Wednesday is 8:30 to 9:30. Sunday is 8 to 9:30.
Okay,
Sorry,
sir.
Wednesday is 9:30 to 10:30. You can look at the
Okay.
time. Okay, all right. So
Yes.
we'll end this class. Anybody having any doubt, you want to ask any question from your end, you can ask me. I'm open to discuss. किसी का कोई डाउट है? धैर्य?
No, sir.
ओके, कबीर, हाँ बोलो.
केमिस्ट्री का कुछ पूछना था.
पूछो. एनी डाउट? केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स, जो
लेकिन बस इतना सही है कि अगर आपका कोई अप्लायंस है, वो मान लो 330 वॉट्स पे चलता है.
ये तो
और हमने
फिजिक्स का हो गया ना.
हाँ भाई सही.
330 वॉट इज द पावर. ठीक है.
आपका क्या बोलते हैं, वोल्टेज हो गई, मतलब मेरे को बस इतना पूछना है कि जितनी करंट उसको चाहिए, उसकी मैक्सिमम कैपेसिटी जितनी है, मिनिमम कैपेसिटी जितनी भी है, तो अगर उससे कम करंट हुआ तो फिर वो अप्लायंस चलेगा नहीं, या क्या होगा?
नहीं, करंट तो अप्लायंस VI मस्ट बी इक्वल टू पावर. तो तुम करंट डिसाइड थोड़ी करते हो कि करंट उसको नहीं मिलेगी, मतलब कैसे नहीं मिलेगी? तुम वोल्टेज बहुत कम कर दोगे तो करंट ज्यादा खींचेगा वो. ये होगा कि करंट उससे ज्यादा दे दोगे तो फ्यूज उड़ जाएगा उसका. तो उसमें फ्यूज कितने एम्पियर का लगेगा, यह सवाल पूछा जाता है. जो सवाल तुम कह रहे हो कि करंट, यू कैन डिसाइड ए करंट, तुम वोल्टेज डिसाइड कर सकते हो. आप करंट कैसे ज्यादा कम करोगे? यू कैन डिसाइड द वोल्टेज. सो P इज गिवन बाय द फॉर्मूला VI. तो आप कितना भी V कम कर लो, करंट बढ़ जाएगी उसी हिसाब से. कितना वोल्टेज है? वोल्टेज गिवन है कि नहीं गिवन है?
ये मतलब मैं अपनी तरफ से पूछ रहा हूँ, इसमें क्वेश्चन में ऐसा तो नहीं है.
नहीं, अपने तरफ से क्वेश्चन नहीं बनाना है. जो क्वेश्चन उसमें दिया है वही क्वेश्चन लेके आओ.
क्वेश्चन तो कुछ और था कि आपका 350 वॉट्स का इलेक्ट्रिक केटल है, उसमें आपने 220 वॉट्स का बैटरी लगाई है.
350 वॉट, एक मिनट, 350 वॉट का क्या है?
750 वॉट्स का आपका इलेक्ट्रिक केटल है.
ओके,
220 वोल्ट्स की बैटरी.
ठीक है.
और फ्यूज लगाया इन्होंने 3 एम्पियर का.
देखा?
3 एम्पियर का हम फ्यूज लगा सकते हैं कि नहीं लगा सकते?
हाँ, अब यहाँ पे तुमने
ये
सवाल
पूछा
चेंज
गया.
कर दिया अपने मन से. सवाल मैंने बोला था ना करंट पे होगा.
Yes, वो नहीं है ना क्वेश्चन, वो नहीं.
वही तो मैं बोलूं कि वो क्वेश्चन जो तुम बोल रहे हो तुम्हारे मन का क्वेश्चन है. तो
इसमें
तो
3.41 के आसपास आ
तो इसको हम
जाएगा।
लिखेंगे 3 और क्या बोलते हैं 22 3 66, तो 3 9/22 विच इज ग्रेटर देन 3 एम्पियर। तो 3 एम्पियर का फ्यूज लगाएंगे, सो इट विल बी ब्लोन ऑफ, सो द इक्विपमेंट विल नॉट वर्क। अपनी फुल कैपेसिटी में ही चलेगा इक्विपमेंट। ऐसा नहीं है कि अब मैं 750 वॉट का हूं तो मैं थोड़े में ही काम चला दूं, थोड़ा सा ही पानी गर्म करना है, ऐसा नहीं होता है, ठीक है। इफ इट इज 750 वॉट इट विल टेक द मैक्सिमम करंट विच इट कैन टेक। तो आपको करंट कम करनी है, यू नीड टू इंक्रीज द वोल्टेज। इफ द वोल्टेज इज 240 देन हम कुछ सोच, तब भी नहीं होगा ये। 260 का वोल्टेज चाहिए कम से कम, 250 के वोल्टेज पे भी नहीं चलेगा ये, नहीं तो फ्यूज बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। व्हाट इज द अदर वे ऑफ डूइंग इट? फ्यूज आप लगा दो 5 एम्पियर का। इनफैक्ट आप देखोगे जितने भी इलेक्ट्रिक केटली या फिर आपके ऐसे वो होते हैं, यू हैव ए गीजर आयरन, उन सबके प्लग देखो 16 एम्पियर वाले होते हैं, बड़े प्लग होते हैं, या 5 एम्पियर में चल जाते हो, लेकिन आपको बड़ा वोल्टेज चाहिए उसके लिए, बड़ी करंट वाली वायर चाहिए उसमें। नहीं तो करंट जब भागती है ना तो इतना फ्रिक्शन प्रोड्यूस होता है, इतनी हीट प्रोड्यूस होती है कि तार पिघल जाती है और 2 मिनट में धुआं निकल जाता है वहां से। तो फिजिक्स तो वंडरफुल, बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग, इतना मजा आता है ना फिजिक्स पढ़ने में। तो ऐसे जितने भी क्वेश्चन तुम्हारे मन में आ रहे हैं, अंजना, यू कैन ऑल्सो आस्क मी एनी क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, एनी न्यूमेरिकल।
Sure, sir. Yeah.
ओके, Daria एंड आशिका, कबीर, और कोई क्वेश्चन है फिजिक्स का या केमिस्ट्री का?
नहीं सर।
क्लियर? अंजना, एनी अदर डाउट?
No, sir.
Okay, so I'm going to end this class. Take care, all of you. Have a sound sleep. Bye.
Bye.
बाय सर।
Bye.